Hello everyone, my name is Christian Feraldo Nugroho and I am a student at Palangkaraya University majoring in public administration. In today's video, I will answer some questions for my English final exam. So, let's get started.
1. What do you want to do after graduation? Why?
Okay, thank you for the question. After graduation, I want to work in the public sector, especially in local government institution. As a public administration student, I want to contribute to improving public service in my region.
2. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Why?
In 5 years, I see myself working as a civil servant in Palangkaraya, helping to create better government programs for the people. I want to make a positive impact on society.
3. Do you want to work in your country or abroad? Why?
I want to work in Indonesia. I believe Indonesia still needs many young people to improve governance and public service, especially in Kalimantan.
4. What skills do you need for your dream job? Why?
I need communication skills, critical thinking, and digital literacy. These skills are essential for working with the public and solving problems efficiently.
5. Do you plan to continue studying after university? Why?
Yes, I plan to take a master degree in public policy or public administration. I want to deepen my knowledge and become more professional in my field.
6. Do you want to start a business in the future? Why?
Yes, maybe in the future, I want to start a business, especially in the fashion and food industry. I'm interested in clothing design and culinary because those two areas have a lot of opportunities and are always needed by many people.
7. What is one goal you want to achieve this year? Why?
One of my goals is to improve my English communication skill. I realize that English is important for my future career, especially if I want to continue studying or attend international seminars.
8. Do you prefer working for a company or being self-employed? Why?
I prefer working in government or public institution because I want to serve the people and be part of the system that creates policies.
9. What do you need to do to achieve your goals?
I need to study hard, be consistent, and keep improving my skills, especially leadership and problem solving skills.
10. Who inspires you to work hard? Why?
My parents inspired me the most. They have always supported me and taught me to never give up on my dreams.
11. What is your favorite color? Why?
Okay, my favorite color is blue. It reminds me of calmness and focus, which I really need as a student who lives far from home. It helps me feel peaceful and motivated.
12. What kind of music do you dislike? Why?
I dislike very loud or aggressive music like heavy metal is so stressful for me, especially when I need to study or concentrate uh, on assignment.
13. Do you like watching TV? What shows do you watch? Why?
Yes, I like watching TV show, especially documentaries and talk show about politics, education, or social issue. As a public administration student, this show helped me learn more about the real world.
14. What is your favorite subject? Why?
My favorite subject is English. As student who live far from home, learning English helped me express myself better and communicate with people from different backgrounds. It also opens my opportunities like joining international program, reading global references, and preparing for future education. I enjoy learning new vocabulary and practicing concentration with my classmates.
15. What food do you hate? Why?
I don't like very spicy food. Since I come from a place that has milder food, eating something too spicy makes me feel uncomfortable and even give me a stomachache.
16. Do you like trying new things? Why?
Yes, I do. Living far from home has taught me to be more independent and open-minded. Trying a new things help me grow and discover my potential.
17. What kind of movies do you like? Why?
I like inspirational and drama movies, especially those that tell about life, education, or social struggle. These movies often give me motivation and new perspective.
18. Do you prefer tea or coffee? Why?
Okay, I prefer tea, especially herbal tea or green tea, because it's calming and good for my health as a student. Tea helps me relax after a long day of studying or doing campus activities.
19. What is one thing you don't like about studying? Why?
One thing I don't like is having too many assignments at once. Sometimes it makes me stressed and lose focus, but I try to manage my time and stay positive.
20. What is something that always makes you happy? Why?
Talking with my family always makes me happy, even though I live far away. Hearing their voice and sharing stories give me strength and motivation.
21. Do you exercise regularly? What do you do? Why?
Yes, I try to exercise regularly, even though my schedule is quite busy as a student. I usually do like every exercise. I usually do like exercise, like walking around the campus, jogging in the morning, or stretching in my room. Sometimes I join group activities like aerobic or sports. I at Car-Free Day in Palangkaraya. Ers- uh, Exercising help me stay healthy and reduce stress, especially when I feel tired from lectures and assignments. Since I live far from my family, I know I have to take care of my I know I have to take care of myself more seriously.
22. What are healthy foods?
Okay, healthy foods are foods that give our body the nut- nutrition it needs without too much sugar and fat or artificial ingredients. For example, vegetables like spinach, carrots, and broccoli. Fruit like bananas, orange, and apples. Whole grains, nuts, and lean meats like chicken or fish. And as a student living in a boarding house, I try to eat healthy even though sometimes it's not easy. I avoid instant noodles too often and try to cook simple meals with vegetables and rice. Eating healthy food keep me energetic and help me focus during classes.
23. How many hours do you sleep every night? Why?
I usually sleep around 6 to 7 hours each night. Sometimes, sometimes when there are a lot of assignment or presentation, I sleep less, but I always try to get enough rest because I know sleep is important for my brain or body. Without enough sleep, I get tired, can can concentrate and feel moody. Living away from my family has taught me how important it is to manage my own schedule, including sleeping and waking up on time. So I make sure to balance my study time and rest time.
24. Do you drink enough water every day? Why?
Yes, I try to drink enough water every day. I always carry a bottle. I always carry a water bottle with me to campus, especially because the weather is especially because the weather in Palangkaraya can be quite hot and dry. Drinking water keeps me hydrated, help my body work properly, and prevents headaches or fatigue. As a student who often spends hours in class or studying in my room, I make it a habit to drink water regularly because it's a small but important part of staying healthy, especially when I don't always have time to prepare nutritious food.
25. What do you do when you feel sick?
Okay, when I feel shake, the first thing I do is rest and drink warm water. I also try to eat like healthy food and avoid anything spicy or oily. If I still don't feel better, I will take some medicine or visit the campus clinic or the hospital. Since I live far from my family, if learning to be responsible for my own health. Sometimes I call my mom just to ask for advice or comfort. Being sick while living alone is hard, but I also teaches me to be stronger and more independent. Okay, so that's all for my English final exam video assessment. Thank you very much to our lecturer for the guidance and support during this semester. I hope my answers are clear and meaningful. Thank you for watching, and I wish uh, all of us the best of luck in this exam. See you and take care.
Goodbye!